Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to pull data from another sheet here on Excel. Now if you are new here or if you find this video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this one's actually very simple. Do not worry at all. First thing you need to do is open up your worksheet, and from here we're going to select the cell that we'd like the information to be put into. So for example, let's go to B2 and we're going to press equals. Okay, once we've done that, we can then go over to the other sheet, the information. So for example, we have these here, and I'm going to click on China. Okay, now I need to go back to sheet 3, and we can see that it has looked for that sheet, and it has also put the information here. All we need to do now is click enter, and it has given us the information required. If it's not quite pulling through, you can see at the moment it's giving us sheet 3, for example. I'm going to go in and change that to sheet 2 and click enter. So do watch out if sometimes it doesn't quite pull that right information through. You just need to change the name. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.